Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stockpile, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Stockpile, start by visiting the Stockpile website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage and click it. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Read and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Next, you will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Return to the Stockpile website after verifying your email. Now, log in using your newly created credentials. You may be prompted to provide additional personal information. Fill in your first and last name in the appropriate sections. Enter your date of birth for identity verification. Provide your residential address, including city, state, and zip code. Select your employment status from the options provided. You will also need to input your social security number for tax purposes. After filling in the required fields, review your information for accuracy. Click the Continue button to move to the next step. You may be asked to answer a few questions about your investment experience. Answer these questions honestly to help tailor your investment options. Once completed, click Submit to finalize your registration. Now, set up your funding method to start investing. You can link a bank account or get a prepaid debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen funding method. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start exploring investment opportunities. Familiarize yourself with the Stockpile platform and its features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.